very exciting new update. Brand new formulas rolling out right now. At this very moment in early 2026, we have Sheets, and Sheets offers us a count of every single tab in our spreadsheet file. So here we have equals sheets, and we just type these in, equal sheets, just like any other formula. These are just new formulas. We type that in and we hit enter, and that's the number 3 because there's 3 spreadsheet tabs in here. If I hit add sheet, we can go back to our sheet 1 and see that it's updated. So it's constantly looking for how many sheets there are. Let's delete sheet, and there it is, 3. There's no editing tricks here. I'm recording this real time. These are really cool little things. You can add these formulas to do interesting calculations. For example, if you have months and every month you add a new tab and you want to know how many months have we been doing this, right? We can count this number of sheets this way. Also, sheet allows us to get the index number a particular sheet. So if we know the name Jan or Feb, and we want to know at which index is it in our spreadsheet file. Index meaning sheet 1 in this particular case is number 1, January is number 2, February is number 3. But if we delete sheet 1, and now we have January and February, sheet Jan is at index 1. Again, this is updating in real time. If I add another few sheets and I move January, let's say past February, now equals sheet Jan says, hey, it's number 4. So this is a really interesting use case where we may want to know, one, does a sheet exist? And if it does, do something. Or if a sheet doesn't exist, do something else in a formula setting. But also, we can check to say what is the order of these things. So if we go Jan, Feb, and we go equals sheet, we go A1, that's 4. To A2, 4. See, this not working. What this is actually doing is saying, what sheet is A2 on? So this is a little weird because you would think it would look for February, but it's not. If we do Feb, it's going to say 3. But it's actually looking at that exact range, A2. If we go January A2, it'll be here. If we go February A2, it's saying 3. So in order to see the index of the sheet, you can't reference it in another cell because that reference will be what it's actually giving you the reply of, or the output to. So that's very interesting, and I would make sure you're using this in the correct way and that you understand that this A1 is not looking at Jan, it's looking at the cell reference of A1. Hopefully that helps you use this and use it in an interesting way. These 2 new formulas, sheets and sheet. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.